Okay, I'm going to download Localsend from localsend.org. For Linux, I'm going to download the deb file. When that's done, I'm going to open up a terminal and type sudo dpkg-i and the name of the file that I downloaded. Next, start Localsend. You'll see it has a name, Kind Apple, and I'm going to select on the left side Receive because I want to receive from my phone. Now for my Android phone, I'm going to install Localsend from Google Play Store. Open it, and this name is Adorable Peach, and I want to send a file. Then I pick the file. And then I tap the name of the computer I want to send it to, which is Kind Apple. Click Accept the incoming file at the Unix machine. You can see the receiving progress, and on my phone you can see the transfer progress. Back to the computer. You can click Done, go to my downloads, and here's the file I downloaded. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.